In this video, let's see about the MCQs on physiography of India. So the question 70 is, in a particular region in India, the local people train the roots of living trees into robust bridges across the streams. As the time passes, these bridges become stronger. These unique living root bridges are found in. So the answer is Meghalaya. And 71, Mount Abu is a hill station located in Dash Ranges. So the answer is Aravalli Ranges. 72, India account for which percentage of the world's land surface area, that is 2.4 percentage. Number of Indian states share their boundary with Myanmar, that is 4. 74, extrusive volcanoes are not found in which of the following mountains? So these are not found in Himalayas. 75. Match list 1 with list 2. So Kerala Anaimudi, Nagaland Saramadi, Uttarakhand Nanda Devi, Tamil Nadu Dottapetta. So the option is 3, 4, 2, 1. Option C. 76. Consider the following relief features. The correct west to eastward sequence about the relief features is, so Mahadev, it is in southern Madhya Pradesh, and Maikal, it is in east of Madhya Pradesh, and Chota Nagpur Plateau, it is between northwest Chandigarh to central Jharkhand, and then this Khasi Hill, it is in Meghalaya. So the answer is one, two, three, 4. So the answer is Mahadev, and then Maikal Range, and then Chota Nagpur Plateau, and then Khasi Hill. So option A is correct. 77. Which of the following Indian states share its boundary with Bhutan? So Bhutan, the states which share the boundary with Bhutan is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, and Sikkim. So the answer is option A. So for Bhutan, for easily remember, so just remember it as AAWS. So B, so for Bhutan, AAWS, remember this. And then 78th, in India, Himalayas are spread over 5 states only. Western Ghats are spread over 5 states only. Pulicat Lake is spread over 2 states only. Which of the following given above is or correct? So, in the first statement, Himalayas are spread over 5 states only. It is wrong. 10 states. And then Western Ghats are spread over 5 states only. That is wrong. It's spread over 6 states. So Pulicat is spread over 2 states. It's correct. So the answer is option 3 only correct. 79th one. Daringbadi hill station is located in. So it is located in Odisha, in Kandhamal district. So the question may be asked like this also, which is known as Kashmir of Odisha? Daringbadi hill. So the Daringbadi hill is called as the Kashmir of Odisha. And then 18th one. An island between India and Sri Lanka is. So that is Kachadivu. And the next one is, the hill situated closer to Kanyakumari is. So that is Cardamom Hills. And Kaimar Plateau is famous for, it is famous for limestone. 83. What is the location of Jammu and Kashmir in respect to Bihar? So So Bihar is located in this side, Jammu and Kashmir here, and Goa here. So the answer is option A, northwest and southwest. And then 84, which of the following pair is not correctly matched? So the total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, that is correct. Latitudinal extent is, that is also correct, and longitudinal extent, so that is also correct. And the number of states in India is 26, so 29 is the correct answer. So here they are asking not correctly matched, so the answer is option D. Which is geographically closest to Great Nicobar, that is Sumatra? Which one of the following places of India experiences highest atmospheric pressure during winter? Lake. Which of the states of India has the longest coastline? That is Gujarat. 88. Rajasthan Desert or Thar Desert is the expansion of which of the following? That is Paleocene and recent deposits. Yamsi-Makan line form the boundary between India and China. 90th. In which state Nilang Valley is located? So it is in Uttarakhand. '91. Which rock system in India is the latest one? That is Gondwana, which is 25 million years ago. And 92nd, what is the number of states and union territory in India? So 28 states and 9 union territories. 93rd, the 8-degree channel separate which of the following? So the 8-degree channel separates Lakshadweep and Maldives. India from Sri Lanka, that is Perth Strait. Andaman and Nicobar, that is 10-degree channel. And then the next one is coral reefs are not found in which of the following? That is Gulf of Cambet or Gulf of Cambay. And then which of the following states has been newly formed? That is Telangana. Which one of the following district does not have Dharwar geological formation? That is Rockdar. Next one, which of the following longitude is known as meridian of India? So 82 degree 32nd east. Next one, Pirpanjal range in the Himalayas is a part of. This is a part of Shivaliks. Which one of the following island is of volcanic origin? That is Andaman and Nicobar. And then which of the following landform occupy north and western part of Bihar states? So north and western part. So that is Someshwar hilly range. And then at which of the following hills the eastern Ghats and the western Ghats join? So that is Nilgiri Hills. Which is the second capital of Himachal Pradesh? That is Dharmasala. So the first capital of Himachal Pradesh is Simla. So there are 3 states in India having 2 capitals. So the first one is Jammu and Kashmir. So there Srinagar is summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital. And then Maharashtra, it is having 2 capitals, Mumbai and Nagpur. So Mumbai is the summer capital and Nagpur is the winter capital. And then the third one is Himachal Pradesh. So Simla is the summer capital and Dharmasala is the winter capital. And 103, Dash is the capital of Jharkhand, that is Ranchi. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So the answer is option A, Kudapakar, rocky wasteland. So others are correctly matched. Nansai, wetland, Punsai, dry fields, Totakal, garden lands. And then 105, arrange the following popular hill stations of India in terms of their heights from highest to lowest. So Mussoorie, Simla, Ooty and Darjeeling. So the height of Mussoorie is 2006. So whereas Simla is 2205 meters, Ooty is 2240 meters, Darjeeling is 2042 meters. So from the highest to the lowest, so the first one is Ooty, and then Shimla, and then Darjeeling, and then Mussoorie. So the answer is option A. Then 106, Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. 107, correct order of formation of geological system in India in terms of their age, starting with the oldest. So the oldest is Aravalli range, and then so from there itself we can identify the answer is option B. So Aravalli, and then Darvars, Kodapas and Vindhyas. So the answer is option B. About Indian Ocean Rim Association for Regional Cooperation, consider the following statements. So it was established very recently in response to the incidents of piracy and the accidents of oil spills. It is an alliance meant for maritime security only. Which of the following statement given above is correct? So the answer is none. So it is established in 1995. So with 23 states in association, and it doesn't mean for the responsible of incident of piracy and accident of oil spills. So the answer is none. So it is not only for maritime security only. So it is for the development. It is for the growth. So this association is meant for the sustainable growth of those region. And then 109, which one of the following Indian states has no international boundary? So Bihar, so the north of Bihar, that is Nepal, and Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand has its boundary with China and Nepal. So Meghalaya, east of Meghalaya is Myanmar. So the answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. And the next one is, where are Jumri, Talaya and Mandar hills situated? So it is in Jharkhand. And then match list 1 with list 2. Select the correct answers using the code given below the list. So Anaimudi, Anamalai, Dodapetta, Nilgiris, so Dupparka, Satpura and Guru Shikhar, Aravalli. So these are the highest ranges, highest peaks in those ranges. So in Anamalai, Animudi is the highest peak, and in Nilgiris, Dodapetta is the highest peak, and Satpura, Dubgarg is the highest peak, and Aravalli, Guru Shikhar is the highest peak. So the code is 4123. So the option C is the correct answer. 112. Name the site that gives us valuable information about the India's maritime link on the Coromandel coast. So that is Arikamedu. Where are the largest quantity of chichils found in India? So it is in backwaters of Kerala. Chichils mean freshwater fish. So they are found in the backwaters of Kerala. And then the next one. Which one of the following peak is not located in India? So the answer is Gurla Madata. So it is in Tibet and it is the 34th highest peak in the world. So whereas Namcha Barwa, so it is in India, and Kamlet, it is the second largest peak in Uttarakhand, and Nanga Parbat, it is the 9th largest peak in the world. 115. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of the hills of central India located from west to east? So the answer is option B. So Satpura, Mahadev, Maikal and Chotanagar. So it is in Chotanagar, it is in eastern side. Satpura, it is in Madhya Pradesh, and Mahadev, it is also in Madhya Pradesh, and Maikal, Chhattisgarh, so it is in Chhattisgarh region. So the answer is option B. 116. Given below the two statements, one is labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. Assertion: the highest concentration of seismic zones in Himalayan region in India. There are many longitudinal thrust zones in Himalayas. So here both option A and B are true, and R is also the correct explanation of A. So the option is A. And then Imphal basins are surrounded by Manipur Hill is a fine example of. So it is an example of lacustrine plain. So the lacustrine plain means, so it has a past experience of lake. So that is a lake region. So once upon a time. So that is known as lacustrine plain. And then 118. With reference to the Himalayan range, which of the statement is correct? So the sediment rock of the Himalayas were fossilless. Marine living fossils are found in the sedimentary rock of lesser Himalayas. Remains of human civilization are found in outer or Shivalik region. So the answer is option 1, 2 and 3 both are correct. So in greater Himalayas there is no sediments, whereas in lesser Himalayas some fossil sediments are found. So in Shivaliks there is a remains of human civilization are found. So the option D is correct. 119. Daringbadi hill station is located in which state? It is in Odisha. It is also known as Kashmir of Odisha. And 120. Which of the following is the highest peak in Maharashtra? So that is Kalsubai Shikar. So it is known as Everest of Maharashtra. So the question may be asked like this also. Which is known as Everest of Maharashtra? That is Kalsubai Shikar. So the height is 1646 meter. And the next one, which state of India has the longest mainland coastline? So the answer is Gujarat. And then 122. The eastern point of India is. So the eastern part of India is Kibitu. 123. The Sahyadri mountain run from Dash to Kanyakumari, the southernmost part of India. So the answer is from Gujarat. And 124. Name the smallest district in India. So it is Mahi. And then the largest district is Kutch. It is in Gujarat. Okay. And 125. Name the westernmost point of India. That is Gaur Mota. 126. Varkala, Chowra, Chavakat, Natika are the beaches in the state of. So these are the beaches in the state of Kerala. Which among the following is not one of the three parallel ranges of Himalayas in its longitudinal extent? So here not. So that is Himshika. So Himadri, Himachal and Shivaliks. So these are three parallel ranges of Himalayas. 128. Dash is the highest peak of Satpura range. That is Dubkar. 1350 meter. 129. Which of the following is not a part of Meghalaya plateau? Here not a part of. So that is Palamu Hills. And the next one 130. As of November 2019, Telangana is a Telangana shares is its capital with. So it shares its capital with Andhra Pradesh. 131. Which of the following state doesn't share its boundary with Bhutan? So for Bhutan, remember the code word AAWS. So Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal and Sikkim. So here they are asking does not share. So the answer is Meghalaya. 132. Which hills are located at the junction of Eastern and Western Ghats, that is Nilgiris? 133. In the field of tourism, which one of the following Indian state is described as one state, many worlds? That is Karnataka. So from this, the question on physical features of India is over. So thank you for watching.